Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the culinary expedition. Today we're going to be in Paraguay, where I'll be preparing Puchero. Let's get to it. We're going to be starting off by searing some pork. This is pork shoulder. Now that the pork's all nice and seared, I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and saute them. Now that the onions are ready, I'm going to add the garlic, the Hungarian paprika, and just a little bit of ground coriander. Now I'm going to add just a teaspoon of salt, bay leaf, and 4 cups of chicken stock. Now I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and then it's going to simmer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Welcome back. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's check on the Puchero. And there it is, looking good, looking good. Wish we had smell-o-vision. Now we're going to add the chickpeas, the carrots, and the potatoes. Get them stirred in. And I'm going to bring this back to a simmer for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes, and here is the results. Everything looks wonderful. Just wonderful. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of Puchero from Paraguay. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.